How to backup and restore SMS messages on Android. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your messages application, your SMS application. Now tap on the three dot from your middle navigation bar in your right corner. Now go to settings. Here make sure you have enabled this recycle bin option. Now go back, then tap on the three dot again. Now go to recycle bin, and here you will find your recycle or deleted messages. Now in order to get it back and restore it, simply tap on the message, or simply tap and hold on it, and then you will find an option of restore, and the conversation is restored. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.